Okay, it's Monday, June 10th. It's about like quarter to 8 at night, New York time. I just want to do a video here on Australian JPY. The Australian dollar's been just like really weak. If you've been watching the market, I guess you know that. Okay, I had to pause it for a second. Well, I have a daily chart up right now, and you can see the structure here that was broke Friday. You know, huge momentum move, solid break through the structure. Let's come back up to retest. So that's, it just looks like a great entry point to get back into this downtrend on the Australian dollar. Let's go to 4-hour chart real quick. So you got a 4-hour pin bar right here, spinning top, and I took this trade before this 4-hour candle closed, just mostly because of these two candles. And on the 1-hour chart, I probably would have taken this trade off this like double top, but I wasn't home. So you turn your back on the market for a minute, and I guess that's the way it goes. But as far as targets go, also this is 786 retracement from this total swing. So in the big picture, it's not a big retracement, but on the 4-hour chart, if we do a Fibonacci extension, from the last swing, it's like right about at the 50%. So that's that's another reason to like it. And as far as targets goes, you can see I would like to think it's going to make it to the 127 extension right here. And you can see that there's a little bit of structure right here that comes along with that. Possibly even making it all the way down to the 127 extension of the total swing. And you can also see there's structure there, and it lines up with the 1618 extension of the smaller swing. So I think I'm just going to kind of see what price action does. Maybe take half my money off the table right here, and move the stop down, and then maybe either final target here, somewhere in here. We're just gonna play that by ear. But for now, we just gotta wait, and we'll see what it does. Hopefully it works out. Okay, just a quick update on this trade. It's like almost 11 o'clock. I know there was some news coming out of Japan, so I'd move my stop to break even, because they don't give the exact time when they're going to do it, and it was I think it's the monetary policy. So as of right now, it looks like it's good for the Japanese yen currency. If you look at the other yen crosses, it's strong all across the board. But just a quick update. We'll see what it does. So it's about 3:15. The London market just opened, and it's continuing to push this trade in my favor. I did want to show another trade. I'm going to pause it. It's like a London Open breakout setting up here. If you look on the daily chart, you can see we had a nice pin bar off of the 618 retracement. It broke through this structure, came back down, retested, and just got the confirmation pin bar on that. So on the 1-hour chart, you can see the nice tight range in the Asian market. and a pretty solid breakout right there. And I'm just gonna click down to the 15-minute and watch it. I know there is some UK news coming out in about an hour and 20 minutes, so I might not take the trade because of that. I'm just gonna have to see what happens. Okay, back to the pound CAD. It was a London Open breakout that was setting up, and I know I mentioned there was some news at 4:30. You can see I'm on a 15-minute chart. You can see the 1 hour chart right here, but 15-minute chart. See, it came up, retested. I did not take the trade right here because of the news, but it did bounce and came up nice. But you can see it gave a second chance to get back in on this trade. So it's like 5:15 now. The news is over. So I took the trade. I just put my stop under the range. The stop is pretty tight considering, it's a 22 pip stop loss. That's tight. Just wanted to go right back to the daily chart again. Just to recap, the reason I really do like the trade, it's really this pin bar right here and the 618 retracement. So really this trade does have potential maybe to make it back up to here, which is close to the 127 extension, if I want to try to hold out that long. But it certainly should at least make it up to here, which it's 165 pips. That's it's a pretty good trade. But we'll see how it goes. It's just an update on the Australian yen. You can see it's past its average daily range. Its average daily range is right now it's at like 200. It's gone like 265 today. I'm up about 220 pips on this trade. This is really my first target right here. Just click out a little bit here. Shrink this down. Yeah, you can see. I mean, it could double bottom right here. But even if we go out to the weekly chart, if you notice, the 127 extension of the latest swing does does meet up with some structure on the weekly chart right there. So I would imagine it's going to have some trouble there, but I really don't see a reason it won't eventually make it down to here. But at some point, I definitely want to take some money off the table, and I'll keep you updated on this trade also. Okay, back to the Australian Japanese yen. I actually just closed this trade out. I closed out the full position for 285 pips. The reason I decided to just close the whole thing instead of half was, it's far beyond the average daily range, and if we get some kind of retracement out of this, you always have the option to enter back in. But I'm pretty happy with 285 pips for about like a 12-hour trade. So yeah, so I would that's a great day as far as I'm concerned. I'm gonna pause this and see what the other trade is doing. Alright, this is the pound CAD. You can see it's starting to unfold.